Welcome to Stony Creek, located in wild and wonderful southern West Virginia, here in the heart of Appalachia, nestled between the Allegheny and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Join us as we explore a culture rich in history and historical landmarks, cooking mid-Appalachian style, gardening, DIY projects, and back porch sitting. Okay, so here after I've washed the tenderloin, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to get any little pieces of tendon or fat or sinew off of the tenderloin. We like ours clean. I use a very sharp knife, and so I don't cut it too deep. Then I slice it very thin. Then we'll tenderize it. So I'm going to tenderize it a little bit. Tenderloin is tender naturally, but this flattens the pieces out, makes them just a little bit bigger, and it just adds to tenderize it. Then I'm going to put it in some seasoned flour that I mix up. A little bit of Lowry seasoning salt and some garlic and onion powder. Here we've got some potatoes frying with peppers and onions, salt and pepper. And I do fry these in bacon grease. Flavor them in my bacon grease that I keep in the refrigerator. It smells so good. So now we've got our tenderloin frying. It is frying in regular vegetable oil. I do salt and pepper each piece, even though it's in seasoned flour. Venison is very good meat. Has a good flavor, and it's very healthy for you. It's no fat, low cholesterol. We do like our edges brown. So now we'll have a nice cup of hot perked coffee and relax and enjoy the evening.